So as your yellow. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The educator, moderator, timekeeper, our beloved friend from opposition team, and all of the audience in this house. Thank you for the opportunity that is given to us to introduce our team. My name is Ayuche as the first speaker and also as the replaced speaker. And the second speaker is, and the third speaker is, and we from SMA Kristen Satu Soe, and we stand here as the proposition team. Next, I would like to tell the division work of our team. As the first speaker, I will deliver the definition and main point of our material. The second speaker will deliver the data and fact based on the material by the first speaker. And the third speaker will convert all of our material and also deliver several data of our material. Next, we will show you our real yellow.
Who are we? Prize one. Who are we? Prize one. We are the number one. We are ready to fight, and we will be the winner.
Okay, let's give applause to the opposition team of SMA Negeri Satu Soe. That is given to the opposition team from SMA Kristen 2 Soe. Time is yours to introduce yourself and also ask your yellow. Thank you.
Shalom. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Namo Buddhaya. Salve. And salam kebajikan. First of all, we have to thank the Almighty God. Because of Him, we are able to attend the final competition. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Adriana Dwalaka as the first speaker, and my friend.
My name is Diva Wangara as the second speaker and reply speaker, and my friend.
My name is Marlene Kristen Kase as the third speaker. Now we will show our yell.
Number two. We can. We are not the first, but we are the best.
Let's give applause to SMA Kristen 2 Soe. Ladies and gentlemen, this debating under the motion, this House believes that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. We will start right now. Time is given to the first speaker of proposition team.
Ladies and gentlemen, the motion that we will debate today is this House believes that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. And before I give my material, I will give the definition of the direct election. Ladies and gentlemen, direct election is a system for electing political office holders in which voter or society directly cast their votes for a candidate that they wish to be elected. In short, direct election is a system where people directly for the presidential and vice presidential candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, we as the proposition team is totally agree with this motion because it's really true that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. And ladies and gentlemen, we know that direct election have been implemented in Indonesia until now since 2004. And Indonesia is a democratic country, so the people play an important role in the election and this government. Therefore, the people must cast their votes directly to the heads of state and region. And ladies and gentlemen, this motion that say that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. This is true, and there are several advantages of the direct election in Indonesia that makes this motion is really true, and we really agree with this motion. The first, direct election have more impact on the people. As we know, our country is a democratic country, so we know the main point of democracy is the people or society. And direct election gives the people the right to directly elect the president they want without entrusting their votes to the council. And the people will be free to express their aspiration to the government that this usually when they will do an campaign. according to their wishes. And presidential head will also do their best and quality because they are directly supervised by the people. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that the direct election is the presidential is choose the presidential directly by the society. It means that the government or the presidential have a more responsibility for the society because they are choosing by the society. And ladies and gentlemen, the direct election, on the other hand, direct election creates a strong interaction and unite the people to jointly provide choice and aspiration so that the people are not left behind but now clear how the government runs. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really true that direct election is chosen by the society. So the society is free to give their aspiration and opinion for the government, and they will know that all about the runs of the election. So they will know that who is the best leader of the president, and so they will choose the candidate of president that they wish to be elected. And this means that the president that they choose is the best leader to be the leader in our country. And ladies and
Your
gentlemen,
Honor, please.
yes, please.
So you just say that the public is you say that the public is free to give their opinion, right? But they don't have more knowledge like the parliament.
Okay, I got what you say. But in the direct election, we know that now it's a modern era. So all about the candidate self or personal, they will know directly by the society because they can see the social media.
with you because the public is not have a knowledge like the parliamentary has more knowledge and experience than we are the public.
Okay, got what you say. But we know that the presidential is work for the society. So the society have a right to choose to the leader that they want to be elected to be the presidential. And of course, they will know about the president. They have a knowledge for the candidate they will choose because before the election they will do a campaign to tell about the vision, mission, or the personal and performance of the candidate. I will continue my material.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the direct election creates a stable and balanced government. Why I say that, ladies and gentlemen? Because direct election is done favor parliament so that the government will be stable. The parties will nominate presidential and deputy candidate through selection, and from the coalition they strengthen the chance of victory. This means that the parties is trying to get a council seat through the president, not the president is seeking a position through the parliamentary party. And when governing, the elected president is not completely tied to the party that support them, but works together with all parties and can even give a position to the other parties. Not only big party but also other parties. This will certainly reduce difference in political goals. And ladies and gentlemen, this is also related to the concept in government administration, namely checks and balance, where the regional head of president will be responsible to the people, not the council or DPR. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something that very important for our country. That society is must to get the right to choose who will be their leader in this country. So and of course they will know we know that we are living in digital era. There is so much technology like social media. So they will know about the candidates that will be their leader. And we're talking about the knowledge of the society. The society always know it because before the election, of course there is a campaign or activity from the candidate. So of course the society will know about all the performance from the candidate. They will know the performance. They will know the way of governing from the candidates. That this make the society will give their trust directly to the president. And of course the president that we choose is to give a big responsibility for the society because they are directly supervised by the society. And ladies and gentlemen, the direct election also is a fair election. Why? Because direct election for president is an open competition, so that anyone outside the party is coming from a big party can nominate themselves as a candidate we believe that our motto is really true, that direct election is more better. That's all that I'm
Thanks.
saying.
Let's give applause to the first speaker of the opposition team. Time is given to the first speaker of opposition team. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time that given to me. I will review the argument from the first speaker of the proposition team. So she said that our general election is the competition, but actually it's not a competition. Based on the Compasiana.com, a parliamentary system is where parliamentary holds great power in controlling the government and making controlling the government. The head of the government or prime minister is elected by the parliament and must maintain parliament's support to continue in power. The characteristic of the parliamentary government are headed by a prime minister as head of government and the head of the state headed by the president or king. The president exclusive powers are appointed by the executive while taking the selected by the law. From the meaning I have mentioned, parliamentary democracy involves election to form a parliament which elects a head of government, such as prime minister or president. The maid of the government is accountable to parliament and must be maintained the confidence of the majority of parliamentarians. Parliamentary democracies general have a separation of powers between the executive and the legislature. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the
POI open.
there are quite a lot of 3 constitutional court judges who express dissenting opinion. Out of a total 8 judges who decide on the case, this showing that there are many problematic things that need to be corrected. In order to improve the quality of the implementation and result of future election, including the simultaneous regional election in the next few months. Some of what I conveyed by the judges include the politicization of social assistance ahead of the presidential election, presidential candidates, and the deployment of the officer by the government that benefit the one of the confident pairs, matters that injure people's sovereignty and election, which according to the Article 22E, paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution of the
POI,
Republic.
please. You statement say that our government is responsible for is by the prime minister, right? But this means that the president is not get a change for the government, and this means that the parliament is just choosing the president is not for nothing, but the government is governing by the prime minister. And what do you think about it? Because our country leader is the president.
Can you repeat your question, sorry?
Okay, I say that you say that the big important role in the government in the parliamentary system is the prime minister, but we know that the leader of our country is the president. And if the parliament is choosing the president, it means that they choose the president is not for nothing. But the important role that we're governing in is the prime minister.
The first speaker of opposition team, please give your answer. No discussion. continue to tell your arguments or give your answer.
Sorry, but I will continue my arguments. Social assistance ahead of the presidential election, presidential confidence and the development of officer the government that benefit one of the candidate pairs, matters that injure people's sovereignty and election, which according to the Article 22A, Paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia must not only be honest and fair, but must also be free from the influence of social assistance of those high power. This statement is by the three MK judges, namely for Saldi Isra, Prof. Arif Hidayat, and Prof. Eni Nurbangsih. So, the three MK judges who expressed dissenting opinions out of a total of 8 judges who decide on the case were quite a lot. This showing that there are many problematic things that need to be corrected in order to improve the quality of future election, including the stimulation of regional election in the next few months. Ladies and gentlemen, because of this, we are from...
Your eye, please. Yes,
thanks. We from opposition team do not agree that direct election is better than parliamentary system. That's all from me, and I will continue by my friend as the second speaker.
Okay. Thank you. Let us give applause to the first speaker of the opposition team. We will continue with the second speaker of the opposition team. Time is yours.
The society don't have the knowledge about the candidate, and the election is not competitive, and the election by parliamentary election is fair. This is the statement by my friends, the first speaker from opposition team, and I really disagree with this statement because we know before the election the candidate already can champion and give the vision and mission for the society. So I think this made the society know about the candidate. And the second is, we know the election is competition to the leader because the candidate want be a leader to make this country better. And the last and next is, we know it's not fair for the society because they don't give what they want to choose what they want candidate. So ladies and gentlemen, I really agree with this motion that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. And based on material from my friends, the first speaker, I will give several data and argument to say why we agree with this motion. The first point is direct election have more impact on the people and make election more meaningful for all people. Ladies and gentlemen, government of the people, by the people, and for the people. For this statement, direct election by the people is a political process leading to a more democracy and responsible political life. Public officials elected by the people will be accountable to the people. Leader will be focused on the people because they already have promised, made the vision and mission when they champion so that the people elect them. This direct election process will have a big impact on the people because, as my friend said, the first speaker say that the people get help from coalition from presidential candidate during political parties. So of course, this is have a good impact for the society because they can feel the real democracy in the society. And there is popular sovereignty which in the right yes please.
Okay, you say that the direct election have so many impact in our government. But in my data, quoted from national.compass.com, stated that Gear felt that in just one regional election event, a regional had
that sounds bad.
Okay, get what you say. You say about data, but we can see in our real life. When the candidate gives
But I have data.
assistant, yes, but we can see in our real life. This
But
we can this
data
fact.
based on the real life.
Yes, but we can see in our real life when the candidate give the
But you
for
can,
the
if you have data,
for the society,
you say that with your own
impact
mind.
for the good impact for the society. Okay, I will continue my material. And the second point is direct election can create a stable and balanced government. Ladies and gentlemen, direct regional hand election is a political process that can provide political education to the people in national and state life within the framework of national stability and proactive candidate and not completely tied to parties. If it is tied to a party, it will cause ineffectiveness or even the clock in the government to parliament could be rejected. If this rejection occurs, the running of the government will be hampered. Just look at what happened in the Unity State when the budget proposed by the president was rejected by the Congress. The rejection of this agreement resulted in the availability of public service taking a sharp dip due to infrastructure funding to finance expenditure in the public sector. For this reason, we learn from the Unity State that if the leaders are elected by parliament, their vision and mission and leader will not work because they are just here in the party and they don't work what they want in this country. And with direct election, it will be just differences in goals and political and can create stability. And the next is direct election is a fair election. Ladies and gentlemen, any candidate outside the party can nominate themselves to become leader. Of course, this is something that is fair for all citizens because they have the right to participate. Ladies and gentlemen, in law number 22 of the 1999, it is stated that regional heads are elected by the council. It can be understood that people's sovereignty in the handle over to the representative institution, namely the council. If the right of the people are handed over the institution, there is a high possibility that the institution ensured with sovereignty will abuse their power in a way that defies from the will be the people. This is very unfair for the people because their right to choose is not needed. However, with direct election, the people can choose the leader they want to elect. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is true that direct election very better than parliamentary election because it can good impact for the society and can build stable and balanced government and fair for every society. And ladies and gentlemen, we know we as the society really have the right to choose what we want because we have the right to choose what they want. If we see in their vision and mission, we can look the good attitude and good performance. So this can make we believe and we choose them. So ladies and gentlemen, and we know when in direct election can stabilize the government because when we as the society choose the candidate, this can make we stable and because not only the council choose the candidate, this can make we don't have the right to choose what we want. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my material. And again, I say that direct election is better than parliamentary election. And based on our argument and the data that I have, I invite all of you to agree and join with us as the affirmative team. And the next material will be continued by my friends, the third speaker. That's all, and thank you.
Let us give applause to the second speaker of opposition team, and time is given to the second speaker of opposition team to deliver your arguments.
Okay, thank you for your time given to me. I'm the second speaker, and I will continue argument from my friend as the first speaker. But before that, I will do the word point from the second speaker of the proposition team. She said that direct election is more effective than parliament direct. I still disagree with your argument, and I still in my position. Direct election have many shortcomings and obstacles that often occurs during election. Quoted from polboom.kemendagri.go.id states that one of them is that voters will become individuals and materialistic, as if they deny the values of Pancasila. Candidates for regional head must also have quite large capital funds because they are required to campaign physically and are vulnerable to being infiltrated by the interest of investors. Another weakness is that regional head candidates only rely on character on the the ability to lead an organization that will be needed when elected as regional head. Potential for horizontal and vertical conflict between candidate support base. Moreover, if the political understanding of the people in an area is not yet mature enough. Apart from that, there is often misuse of the regional revenue and expenditure budget, or APBD, be it the social assistance budget or bansos or other budget items by incumbents for personal interest because they are running again to compete in the Pilkada. Quoted from national.compass.com stated that Giri revealed that in just one regional election event, a regional head candidate should spend 20 million to 100 billion. Facing the simultaneous regional election, the cost of holding them are trillions, even from a survey conducted by the Ministry of Home Affairs based on a study by the Corruption Eradication Committee, Research and Development Committee. The cost incurred by a regent or mayor are an average of either 20 billion to either 30 billion. Said Giri in a virtual discussion. This is also related to people's life and health. Quoted from news.thetik.com in 2019, a total of 894 officers died and 5,175 officers become ill. Quoted by news.thetik.com as saying that the General Election Commission, or KPU, revealed that as many as 181 members of the 2024 election organization.
Please.
Yes, please.
You say assistant from the the candidate like Sembako or so on. This can make the candidate to be a corruption leader. And I think it's not true that the assistant from the candidate can show that in the society, the candidate have the responsibility for the society. How do you think about this?
Can you repeat your...
When the candidate give the assistant like a Sembako, you say before, and Sembako or so on, this can make, yes, you say before. Yeah, you say before, and this can make the candidate be corruption leader.
Okay, I still disagree with your argument because the social assistance budget or bansos or other budget items by incumbents for personal interest because they are running again to compete in the Pilkada.
Yes, and then as you say that this can make be a corruption leader in your data.
Well, if you don't stated it before, you can continue giving for your arguments.
Okay, I will continue arguments. The KPU expresses a deep condolence. This concerns someone's life. You cannot replace someone's life with money. Of this can also cause loss. Quoted from KRDFhandip.com, direct democratic election term general election apparently have loopholes in democracy in Indonesia during direct election. In 2004 to 2020 have now caused many problems, including first, it is prone to the emergence of horizontal conflict among the community, as for example, the conflict in 2007 in South Sulawesi was caused by the court required re-election in 4 districts, namely Bone, Banten, Tanah Toraja, and Goa. The Supreme Court reasoned that it was because the regional election were in the 4th. The district was carried out unfairly and honestly. Second, the budget for organizing election directly required cost a big one. Recently, the area of North Sumatra will to hold the regional election in December 2020.
Okay, thanks for the second speaker of the opposition team. Let us give applause to the second speaker, and we will move to the third speaker of the proposal team. Time is yours.
Community, they don't have more knowledge for this candidate. This the statement by my friends as the first speaker from opposite team. And when assistant sembako or so on, the society can make corruption leader. This the statement by my friends as the second speaker from opposite team. Ladies and gentlemen, I really disagree with that because the first is now we are in digital era. So community can look candidate performance on internet so they can choose good candidates. And the second is by government existence, let us say sembako to society. This can help helping society economy. So this better because can helping society economy. Ladies and gentlemen, and before I give my material, I would like to say what my friends say as the first and second speaker is true, and I really agree. And I will give several examples and reasons to say why we agree with this topic. The first is direct election have more impact to people. Ladies and gentlemen, by holding direct election, the people will benefit because they get help from presidential candidates such as money, scholarship, and let us say sembako. Ladies and gentlemen, and the people can directly elect the president they want and president candidates they want, and it will not have an impact on state finances because the money spent by presidential candidates is their personal money. So, ladies and gentlemen, it has no impact on state money and doesn't harm the community but is profitable. For example,
POI, please.
yes, please.
As you said before, that in digital era, public can see information in internet about the candidate, right? But how about the people who live in the village? They
Okay, I get
don't.
what you say, but candidates already campaigns in village. They will give the vision and mission, and they almost always
But I
campaign
still
in
disagree
village.
with you a bit. Because we are the public don't have more knowledge. We are the public don't have more knowledge like the parliament.
Okay, I get what you say, but as I said before, we are in digital era, so community can do performance or performance the candidate on internet, so they can choose good candidates
I still disagree with you, but if we see in real life, there are many people who get money to give their voice to their candidate.
Okay, I get what you say, but this, as I said before, this can help community, society, economic, and when we know not all society can choose the candidate when they get the money from the candidates. Okay, I will continue my material. Ladies and gentlemen, for example, in the people play an important role such as campaigns, with in full people participation and the people directly elect the president candidates they want. And there is various assistance from president candidates to the community such as I said before.
POI, please.
Yes, please.
Do you know money politics?
Yes, I know.
Money politics, if the candidates give money to.
Okay, I get what you say, but as I said before, not all community can choose their candidates when they get the money. They just get
No, we see in real life there are many people who get money to give their voice.
but in real life, we can see the community don't choose the candidate, even though
You have
get the
data
money.
that they don't
Yeah, the
have money.
data. My friend say is the first speaker.
Please give me the name of the website and the date.
But my friend see in real life.
You don't have data to give me. Forgive me that people don't get money to give their voice.
This is not my word about data. Okay, I will continue my material. Ladies and gentlemen, the second point is direct election make it easier for public to get know the president or leader. Ladies and gentlemen, by holding direct election, the public not only knows the name but the performance and experience as well as the vision and mission of the president candidate. So, ladies and gentlemen, that the people can read and choose for themselves the president candidate they want.
Right, please.
Yes, please.
You say public can get experience for the candidate, right? But we can see in real life the public don't care about the experience.
Okay, but now we are already implementation direct election. So all people can know all people can experience they can experience what they want and can choose the candidate and can choose like 2024. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will continue my material. For example, by holding direct election can make it easier for public to know and reach state leaders. There will be a campaign or promotion regarding the candidate vision and mission, so that The people will rate and choose. People know the president performance directly, such as when he visits a place for his campaign and helps the local community. And the last point is direct election creates a stable and balanced government. Ladies and gentlemen, as the third speaker, I say that we from proposition team strongly agree with this motion because direct elections can help make social economy such as money, scholarship, and let us say sembako. And community can know the candidates and community can choose the candidates they want. So ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion is we are sure and believe that this motion will stand until the end. And I invite all of you to agree.
Kindly let us give applause to the third speaker of the People's Campaign. We will continue with the third speaker of the opposition team. Grab your time.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. I am the third speaker. Will continue the material from my friend, the first and the second speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, I will explain about 6 points. There are, first, better representation. Parliamentary election allow voters to elect representatives from different political parties or groups, thereby better reflecting the diversity of opinion in society. Second is political stability. With a parliamentary system, the government usually consists of a majority in parliament, which allow for political stability because decisions made are based on greater consensus. Solid majority in a parliamentary system, a stable government is formed when one party or coalition of parties has majority in parliament. This allows for more consistent and coordinated decision because the government has sufficient support to implement its programs. Agreements and compromises to form a parliamentary majority, political parties often have to work together and reach agreement or compromises. This encourages a more cooperative political culture and minimizes conflict that could disrupt political stability. The third point is accountability. Parliament can monitor government performance more effectively and hold elected officials accountable through mechanisms such as question and answer session and no confidence voters. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that in public we can discuss about our choice, our voice because it is secret. But in parliament they can discuss and give their best voice. The fourth point is more mature decision making. Parliamentary election allow for more in-depth discussion and research on complex issues before decisions are taken because they are represented by representatives elected based on a deeper understanding of the issues. Discussion and debate. Parliament is a forum where members can discuss and debate issues openly. This process allows members to present arguments, investigate issues in depth, and listen to different points of view. Thus, decisions taken tend to be more considered and based on a better understanding of the complexity of the issues. The fifth point is efficiency. Parliamentary elections are often more efficient in terms of time and cost because voters only need to elect one representative from their constituency rather than choosing from a number of different candidates. Large-scale election, in parliamentary election, voters only need to elect one representative from their constituencies. No thanks. Which sort the voting process. This can save time and effort.
Please.
Yes, please.
You said that before in public the voice is secret, but we have to write what the society want to choose, and we must to remember we are democratic country. So society must to know about election rush.
No, I still disagree with you because as I said before, public can discuss their voice because it is secret, but parliament can discuss because they must to get a best voice. Okay, I will.
Okay, but council can secret their voice, and community know the how much the voice for and council can secret their voice and society have right to choose their right candidate.
But in our regulation of this election is Luberjurgil. One is the Luberjurgil is secret. So as the public, we can discuss about our voice.
But direct election don't have secret because all society can must to know the
But you can disturb our regulation about our election Luberjurgil. In Luberjurgil, one of the Luberjurgil is secret. So we public can discuss about our voice.
But direct election have that.
But we have regulation Luberjurgil. I will continue my argument. The sixth point is experience and knowledge. MPS often have deeper experience and knowledge of legislative and administrative process which can help them make better decisions. Experience in government, MPS often have extensive experience in government affairs, politics and law. They are familiar with the legislative and governance process of the country which allows them to make better and more informed decisions. Education and deserved backgrounds. Many members of parliament have these diverse backgrounds including from academia, business, law and society civil. This enriches discussions and decision making with different perspectives. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the government, setting parliamentary their role in the election law is one of the stages that must be implemented to realize direct, general, free, secret, honest and fair election as stated in Article 22E, paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution and provide certainty law for prospective members of the DPR. Because with the parliamentary result that has been determined, prospective members of DPR will be optimal in conveying the vision and mission to realize people's welfare and the people as voters can know the integrity, professionalism and accountability of the candidates for DPR member they will elect. In determining the parliamentary result, in intensive and comprehensive discussion.
Time's up. Let us give applause to the board speaker of the opposition team. Ladies and gentlemen, the honorable educators and all the participants, we have come to the end of this round, so time is given to the opposition team to deliver their reply speaker.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. And as the reply speaker, will give the provide conclusion about our motion. As the opposition team, we absolutely disagree with this motion. Because better representation. Parliamentary election allow voters to elect representative from different political parties or groups, there be better reflecting the diversity of opinion in society. Political stability. With a parliamentary system, the government usually consists of a majority in parliament, which allow for political stability because the decisions made are based on greater consensus. Solid majority in a parliamentary system, a stable government is formed when one party of coalition of parties has majority in parliament. Agreements and compromises to form a parliamentary majority. Political parties often have to work together and reach agreements or compromise. Accountability. Parliament can monitor government performance more effectively and hold elected officials accountable through mechanisms such as question and answer session and no confidence votes. Question and answer session. Parliament has the authority to hold question and answer session where MPS can submit questions to government officials. More mature decision making. Parliamentary election allow for more in-depth discussion and research on complex issues before decisions are taken because they are represented by representative elected based on a deeper understanding of the issues. Discussion on debate. Parliament is a forum where members can discuss and debate issues openly. This process allows members to present arguments, investigate issues in depth, and listen to different points of view. Efficiency. Parliamentary elections are often more efficient in terms of time and cost because voters only need to elect one representative from their constituents, rather than choosing from a number of different candidates. Experience and knowledge. MPs often have deeper experience and knowledge of legislative and administrative process, which can help them make better decisions. Experience in government. MPs often have extensive experience in government affairs, politics, and law. So, whatever you say, we will never trust in your argument and stand with our argument. Finally, me and my two friends want to sorry if three of us made some mistaken words or attitude during this debate competition.
Okay, let us give applause to the opposition team that have given the reply speaker, and then we will listen to the proposition team. Time is yours to give your reply speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, from our debate, we as the proposition team is still with our argument and believe that this motion is really true that direct election is better than parliamentary election in Indonesia. And we must hear the statement and argument that the opposition team say that the direct election is not a competition. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a general knowledge that election is a competition, that the candidate nominate themselves as the candidate for the president, post is secret because regulation is supervision. Ladies and gentlemen, why the vote for the leader of our country must be secret? And the regulation is also have the regulation supervision, and there is no secret from society because society is the important role in our country. And the reply say that the parliament election is create a stability. Where is the stability? And society is the parliament is get only from the election, and the society is don't get from the election. This make a dynasty for the dynasty for the parliament party, and a concept, and we know that the concept in our country is check and balance, and this will be the leader have the big responsibility for society, and this will overcome with the direct election. So it's true that the direct election is better than parliamentary election, because in our material it's true that direct election is a fair election, is a more impact on the society, and also can stability and balance the government. Ladies and gentlemen, we must know that the important thing that now our country is implement the direct election. It means that the government is know what is the best for our country to choose the leader of our country. So they implement the direct election, and we know that with the direct election is a fair election because out of the society, no matter they are from party or not, they can nominate themselves to be a candidate if they have a big quality to be the leader of our country. And ladies and gentlemen, we must know that direct election is better than parliamentary election because this can create a government stability government, because this is not just get for a parliamentary party, but it give an important role for the president and have a big responsibility for the society, because the leader that's chosen directly by the society is have a big responsibility for the society, because the society is the direct supervisor for the leader that they choose. So ladies and gentlemen,
Thanks, Let's give applause to the provision team. Ladies and gentlemen, the honorable educators and all the participants, we have come to the end of this round. Thank you very much for the both team that have participated for the final season for the first round. And the both of team can shaking hands, take a picture with the supervisors. So we invite the supervisor teacher of the SMA Kristen 1 Soe to come in front of here, and also the supervisor of the SMA Kristen 2 Soe to come here and have a picture with the students. Thank you. And I also invite the educators to have a picture with the students.